How to change age on Oculus. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel Create, Login and Delete. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to change age on Oculus. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Oculus or the MetaQuest application on your device. Make sure you are signed in, and if not, then go ahead and sign yourself in. Now, tap on the menu option on the bottom right of your screen and further tap on the settings option you see there. In the interface that you will be led to, go ahead and tap on the account settings option. You will then be led to your MetaQuest page, so tap on the personal details option under the account center tab and you will now see the birthday option. Tap on that. You will now be able to make changes to your birthday, so go ahead and make the necessary changes on your birthday and tap on the save button, and with this your age on Oculus will be changed. So this is how you can change age on Oculus. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.